Welcome to prep day. It's all about what you do to break your fast.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
It's all for the kids, but here comes the temptation. Welcome to my world. But you gotta stay focused. Let's get out of here. I did get some pie. But that's gonna be for Thanksgiving. I got some pecan pie, some coconut pie, some blueberry pie.
Here's The Rock's all-time favorite, poontang pie.
Just joking. Gotta get the bone broth. And of course, me and my man Cam, we are going to eat at Crossy tonight.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
We came to party rock. Everybody is on. Shots, 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 shots. Everybody!
Best bar in Boston, especially in the back door. Now, it's time to be domestic. So, make sure your food's ready. You gotta get that broth. I'm telling you, the broth is key. It's gonna prepare your gut to receive the food. It's gonna get things revving because you just have days off of not eating. Stay occupied and just prepare. Get excited because you know it's 24 hours until it's go time. All right, and remember, the last day is so key. So just be ready. Hope you learned something. I'm gonna enjoy my detox water and some reading. I'll see you guys on the next episode.
It might be tough, but I can freaking do this.